I am going to say about logarithms. Okay, logarithms. First, let us take 2 power 0 equals to what, ma? Anything power 0 is 1, right? Next, 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 6. If you observe the powers and here results, it is varying from 1 to 3 and so on, like that it is varying, right? So, for example, this let us write this all. We can write y equal to a power x. Okay, just I wrote the result equal to a power x. In that form I wrote this. Okay, so if I take, for example, if y equal to 5 and a equal to 10, if I take in that way, so 5 is equal to 10 power x. That means 10 must be raised to some value which whose value is 5. 10 must be raised to be what value? You will get the value 5. Can you say it? No. So this also we can write in this y equal to a power x. Yes. So here what you are able to say here, if x for this a, the power x raises are coming down, the value of y is also changing based on it. So some relation is there. So to identify that relation, it is given logarithm. Okay. So 5 equal to 10 power x. Here x is called logarithm. X is called logarithm. How to denote that? Here 5 equals to 10 power x. X is logarithm of 5 to base 10. And how we can write it? X equals to log of 5 base 10 or log 5. Okay, in this way we can write. And the main definition is that in general, if a power x is equals to n, we can write it as x is equals to log n base a. Log n base a, where a is greater than 0 and n must not be 1. N must not be 1 and a comma n are real numbers. Okay, this is the main introduction of logarithms. For logarithms, we have some properties also. Let us see the properties. Only 2 properties mainly now today. First property is that log of xy base a equals to log x base a plus log y base a. If it is multiplied, these two variables are multiplied, then you will get here. Then you can separate these two by using plus. Next, coming to second property, log x by y base a. That is log x base a minus log y base a. If both are in the form of p by q form, You can separate that by using minus. Okay, these are the properties, and let us see one example. One example. 1 by 81 equals to 3c. 1 by 81 equal to 3c. What we can write this 1 by 81 as 81 power minus 1 equals to 3 power c. And this what you can write? What is 81? 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 power 4. That implies in the place of 81 you have to write 3 power 4 whole power minus 1 equals to 3 power c. And this is in which form? 3 power 4 whole power minus 1 is in the form a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. That implies what you will get? 3 power minus 4 equals to 3 power c. Here two bases are equal, so you can equate the powers. Therefore, c equals to minus 4. By this example, what you can say? This is logarithms. Logarithms are short form to write the exponential forms. Okay? Logarithms are related to the exponential forms. Exponential forms. Okay? And one more example, let us see. Log of 625 base 5 is equals to y. So how can we write this? Y power 5 equal to 625. 5 power y equal to 625. Here we have to find the value of y. How we can find? 5 power y equal to this what? No, 625 is 5 5s 25, 25 5s 125, 125 is 625. So 5 power 4 here. Now here again bases are equal. We can equate the powers. Therefore y is equals to 4. In this way we can take examples for logarithms.